Harvard scientists found that muscle loss after 60 isn't just about age, it's about missing one key habit. Do this daily, and you could reverse muscle aging at any age.
Dear old, smiling seniors, some looking weak, others lifting light weights. By the time you turn 70, you've probably lost nearly half of your muscle mass. But what if I told you that losing strength with age is not inevitable? Some seniors in their 80s have the muscle strength of people in their 40s. So, what's their secret? In this video, we reveal the 7 daily habits of super-agers backed by Harvard and Mayo Clinic researchers. And one daily mistake that silently destroys your strength, something 93% of seniors do wrong every day.
Let's start with habit number 7, the timing of your protein. Most people focus only on how much protein they eat, but studies show that when you eat, protein is even more important. Super-agers spread their protein intake evenly throughout the day. Skipping breakfast or eating a protein-heavy dinner doesn't cut it. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal, morning, noon, and night. Habit number 6, feed your gut. Sounds strange, but 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, and so do the microbes that help you absorb nutrients and build muscle. Add fermented foods, fiber, and probiotics to your daily diet. A healthier gut equals stronger muscles. For habit number 5, a cold and heat exposure. This one is wild but scientifically proven. Mild temperature stress, like cold showers or short sauna sessions, triggers hormetic stress. That's a fancy term for your body activating longevity and muscle-preserving genes. Just 5 to 10 minutes of temperature variation can work wonders. Habit number 4, target the nerves, not just the muscles. Muscle loss doesn't always start in the muscles. It starts at the neuromuscular junction, the connection between your nerves and muscles. To keep them strong, practice balance exercises, reaction drills, and fast, controlled movements. This keeps the communication system between brain and body sharp. Habit number 3, the right kind of strength training. Walking and stretching are not enough. Super-agers follow a safe, progressive resistance training routine 2-3 times a week. This includes bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, and light weights. Even 90-year-olds have rebuilt muscle with these simple habits. Habit number 2, watch for critical micronutrient deficiencies. Did you know over 80% of seniors are deficient in vitamin D, magnesium, and B12, all essential for muscle health? Get tested and supplement as needed. Don't let something small lead to a big problem like weakness or frailty. 7. Habit number 1, fix this one daily mistake. 93% of seniors are making this mistake. They sit too long. Long periods of sitting deactivate your largest muscle groups. Every 30 to 45 minutes, stand up, stretch, or walk around. This simple change can help preserve muscle and boost circulation. Plus, the science is clear. You can stay strong, vibrant, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Hit that subscribe button if you want more science-backed tips for seniors. And don't forget to share this with someone who wants to feel strong again. Muscle loss is not destiny, it's a choice. And now, you know how to fight it.